Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, as part of the previous session, we have downloaded a precise project for us that we need to work on. And using that terminal command, it just launched the app on that particular device, also, right? The iPhone simulator. So, what are we gonna do right now is for that particular project, let us configure the detox. In order to configure the detox, the first and the foremost thing that we need to install here is a just basically. So what exactly this just is gonna do here is this is a popular testing framework for React Native applications. So that's the reason it's the most important thing that we need to install for your project. So here, uh, the project you have a categorized into the code, and it's gonna be inside the lucky trainings, right? Inside the lucky trainings, and in that terminal we are already in that lucky trainings folder. Hence I was just running this particular. Okay, hence I was just running this particular just a command. Okay, so let me try to run this particular just a command inside this one. And in some situations, right, we may need to switch to that precise folder. So I'm not gonna switch to the iOS folder at this particular time, but I was just directly running on the Lucky Trainings. And here, this is gonna be the npm install detox command. This detox is precisely configuring this project with a detox. And once this got installed successfully, then we need to initialize it. So it's just running. Now, when all the dependencies are installed, initialize the detox in your project. So let us see, all the dependencies got installed. Now initializing the detox. As and when you initialize the detox, here you should see these messages, this messages. See here, the same message I was able to see here. Okay, the same message I was able to see in my terminal as well. Created this particular file, that file, all these three different files. And if you navigate to that official documentation itself, so what it is saying here is the JS file. See here, the JX file. This is going to be the configuration file related to the detox basically. And the config.js file is going to be the just related configuration. And the starter.js, it's going to be the dummy first test that they have created for us. So as per the terminal, it created everything. So now the next and a pending thing that we need to do here is load this project in the editor and let us see how this is gonna work out. So that we will be looking at as part of our next session. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.